watch the Academy Awards, the Golden Globes, and all of those similarly televised events where the celebrities, the great and the good, gather to get their awards. Skilled writers put words into actors' mouths to make them sound articulate on screen. On stage, though, at the award ceremony, they are on their own. And so many are really terrible. Don't join them in the great guild of failed award winner speech givers. Welcome back to this weekly edition every Monday of the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. I'm your host, Dr. Greg Story, your corporate coaching and training guy, president of Dale Carnegie Training Japan, and two-time best-selling author of Japan Sales Mastery and Japan Business Mastery. We are bringing the show to you today from our High Performance Center, our studio in Akasaka, in Minato-ku, the business center of Tokyo. Why the cutting edge? In this show, we are going to be looking at the critical areas for success in business in Japan. We want to help advance everyone's thinking so that we can all be at the forefront, be at the cutting edge of how to flourish here in this market. This is episode number 142, and we are talking about elegantly accepting your kudos. それでは行きましょう. So let's get going. You want to promote your business or organization so that you can be more successful. A genius idea pops up amongst the brain trust over a few drinks after work. Why don't we enter the business awards? Someone has to win, don't they? So the odds are fair. Anyway, there's no downside, is there? True, but there can be if you don't fully think this through. I don't mean the requirement for polishing the application or assembling the data in support of the claims being made. I'm talking about seizing defeat from the jaws of victory on the winner's dais. When you win, you're invited up on a stage. Cameras are rolling, the lights are flooding the arena, and the music is pumping. You are pumping too, baby. It quickly occurs to you that hammering the booze on the table to instill some bonhomie amongst the troops was a good idea at the time, but you need to pull yourself together. You fight your way to the stage, negotiating your way through the labyrinth of socially distanced round tables. Before you know it, you and the team have assembled on stage to receive the ovation from the crowd. In a moment, the MC announces, you are about to be handed the cool-looking trophy from the key VIP guest of the evening. The crowd goes quiet as you draw up to the stand microphone on the stage, grasping the prize in your hand. 1,000 eyes are fixed on you, awaiting your acceptance speech. You fluff it! A ragged series of ums and ahs, punctuated by disoriented rambling, highlighting no cohesion of thoughts, concepts, or ideas. You're now sweating bullets. Multiple beads of perspiration start to run down your face. Your pulse is surging. You realize this is a disaster, and you mentally start looking for the exit. Thanks to you, all the tuxedo dandies present have enjoyed their modern-day Colosseum, bread and circuses moment. Once you, the victim, has been disposed of by public humiliation, everyone just returns to their table chatter. You are not forgotten, though. You are now outed as an incompetent who can't string 3 words together. Your tenuous reputation shredded, and the trophy now feels less weighty and magnificent in your grasp. You recall having seen this before, haven't you? Unprepared or underprepared speakers making a complete hash of it. Don't try and wing it. Think ahead and be properly tooled up. There are some key basics you cannot neglect. Under no circumstances mention you are nervous to the audience. Even if you worry you're about to pass out and faint, fall flat out on your face, but don't apologize for your lack of preparation for this speech. Don't begin by bringing up your totally bereft skill set in giving speeches. The audience can see that for themselves. Don't try to make nervous jokes to release the tension you are feeling in the moment. You are clearly pathetic, not funny. Find out more when we come back from the break. If you want to become a fully competent and confident presenter, then do the High Impact Presentations course. We are all being judged when we speak, be it in the internal team meeting or in a public environment, be it the big bosses, clients, or an industry audience. Everyone is evaluating us. Don't blow it. Get the best training on the planet. Do the High Impact Presentations course now in either Japanese or English. Are you doing business with Japan? Do you really know how things work? Japan Business Mastery provides the answers. Do you have the right networks and know how to create them? Do you know how to get on the same wavelength with Japanese buyers? Do you know what being trustworthy looks like from the Japanese perspective? Japan Business Mastery is based on more than 30 years' experience in Japan and will become your go-to guide. Want to succeed in Japan? Buy Japan Business Mastery now. Welcome back. Begin where you should. Thank the Chief VIP, the Chamber or Business Association, and the judges for awarding you this magnificent trophy and great honour. Congratulate your vanquished opponents with great generosity, extolling their virtues and achievements. Next, take this opportunity to promote your organisation. That is why you applied in the first place, isn't it? Give them your thoroughly rehearsed and well-constructed elevator pitch on why what you do is vital to mankind and the future of the universe. This needs to be tight, taut, terrific with no fluff. When you thank the people who have made this happen in the team, make a short personal remark about each one. Taro, who stayed late so many nights, catching the last train home to get the project completed on time. Megumi, for her total dedication to take care of the clients. Daisuke, for his rousing leadership of the sales team when things looked grim. Mari and her team of angels in the back office who somehow managed to hold the whole thing together through thick and thin. Finally, thank your family and friends who have supported you. If you become emotional at this point, don't worry. Whip out a hanky, wipe your eyes, and just keep going. We will love you for it. Wrap it all up with a rousing call to action for the crowd. Encourage them to play a bigger game and maximize their potential. here in this wonderful, exciting, special country of Japan. Thank the organisers once again, wave the trophy high while moving away from the microphone to signal you have finished. Now, quietly call the team together to join you and the VIP as you all pose for the photographers with the trophy. Then get off the stage, order the champagne, you are done. Before the event, you need to prep yourself. Think through the award presentation component of the evening. Thoroughly prepare what you want to say. Rehearse it many times. Make sure it isn't too long. One final piece of advice is to stay off the booze until you actually win. Good luck! The Cutting Edge Japan Business Show is here to help you succeed in Japan. Subscribe on YouTube. Share with your family, friends, and colleagues. Become a regular. Thank you for watching this episode, and remember, hit the subscribe button. Our website details are on screen now. enjapan.dalecarnegie.com. It is awesome value, so check it out. Please leave some feedback on YouTube. I would love to know how this show has helped and what other topics you are interested in for me to cover. Remember, I'm here as a free resource to help you. So just tell me how I can help you best. You might also enjoy my other weekly shows for podcasts, Mondays for the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show podcast, Tuesdays for the Presentations Japan series, Wednesdays for the Sales Japan series, Thursdays for the Leadership Japan series, Fridays for the Japan Business Mastery Show, and on Sundays, Japan's top business interviews. You get these wherever you get your podcasts. On Fridays, I release my TV show, the Japan Business Mastery Show, and on Saturdays, Japan's top business interviews. These are on YouTube. Please look at them there. Episode 143, we're talking about don't work for idiots in sales. Find out more about that next week. So, yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Please join me for the next episode of the Cutting Edge Japan Business Show. We are here to help you. I've only got one direction in mind for you and your business, and that is up.